Welcome once again to the Russell Brown Show here in New Zealand.
In this series of episodes, I'm capturing images in New Zealand. I'm going to show you tips and techniques for photographing with an iPhone. You'll learn how to capture it right, and then you'll learn how to process it right with Lightroom and Photoshop. Let's get going with this next episode.
Here we are at this amazing sheep farm. They've just been sheared, and this amazing wizard has come along to herd the sheep back into the field. And it's all about sheep in motion. I'm going to use the iPhone's capability for capturing motion with live picture mode. Start the sheep in motion. I've turned live picture on over here to the left. It's really nice because some of the sheep are moving and some are holding still, as is the wizard. So we get this motion blur of some of them and not all of them. So I'm in the preview of all my images, and as we know, we swipe up and then we can tap here on the long exposure. Cool. My actor, the wizard, stays perfectly still, but the sheep are moving around it. Wow. Give it a try.
If you want to learn more about the Photoshop and Lightroom techniques that I used in this episode, be sure and go to russellbrown.com. You'll find all of the featured tutorials at that location.